In this video, I'm going to show you how to comment with a GIF on Instagram. So first thing you need to do is find a post that you want to comment on. I'll comment on this Strike Bitcoin post right here. Hit the like button as well. And right next to that, you'll see the comments section. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on that and open it up. No comments here yet, but I can type here like I normally would. Or you can see this new option on the right side of the bar that I just typed in, where you can tap on GIF. That's going to open up the GIF menu. From here you can scroll through and probably find like trending ones for the day, or you can search for any GIF that you want. I'm just going to choose this one right here, and it's posting. There we go, that GIF has been posted in the comments. If I decide that I want to delete this comment, I just need to swipe to the left and tap on that red trash can. And there you have it. There's how to comment on an Instagram post with a GIF, or GIF as some people may call it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Check out the other videos on my channel where there's thousands of tutorials. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.